Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing True HEPA, I think that's how you pronounce it, replacement filters from Levoit. And this is for this air purifier, and it's a 2-pack. So let's check this out. Show you what this box looks like. Instructions on how to replace the filter on the outside, some safety information. All right, so let's get to it. Here we go. Here's what it looks like when you unbox it. Ooh. So here's 2 sets. And that's what it looks like. 2 sets of these filters. Nothing too fancy, but I'm gonna put these in as replacements so have good fresh air quality. So that's it. Quick unboxing video. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you are doing well. Talk to you all later. Bye.